Hey, thanks for tuning in again. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all notifications, and like and share if you could, please. That'd be great. Today we are featuring a 2014 International Prostar manual 10-speed transmission, 526,000 on the odometer. It is a double bunk sleeper as well. Go ahead and check out the exterior. We have aluminum steers and aluminum drives. Each truck is checked out thoroughly in a third-party shop. They take care of every truck, make any and all necessary repairs, and each truck comes with a fresh DOT before it hits our lot. We're doing everything up front to make sure that this truck is ready to be put to work for you. Also, you see there on the mud flaps, ExcelerateTrucks.com. That's our website. We maintain our inventory daily, so it is accurate. Please check out our full lineup there. Link in the description as well. Go ahead and hop inside. See there, 526,366 miles. Manual 10-speed. Double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and roll the hood. There we have it. 2014 International Prostar manual 10-speed transmission, double bunk sleeper, 526,000 on the odometer. Please check us out online at ExcelerateTrucks.com. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and share if you could. Thanks for watching.